Welcome to Ramco Systems. Purchase order with Ramco On-Demand ERP. A purchase order is nothing but a document issued by a buyer to a seller. Let us assume that you are a retailer in need of goods from a vendor. In this scenario, you must create a purchase order to clearly communicate the items you require, the quantities, agreed prices, and several other parameters, to the seller, thereby preventing any miscommunication. When this purchase order is accepted by the seller, it creates a contract of agreement between the buyer and seller, for the trade to commence. These purchase orders also help buyers streamline incoming orders and pending orders. Ramco On-Demand ERP allows you to electronically create purchase orders, effortlessly, by using the simple Maintain Purchase Order screen. To create this purchase order, you will need to specify purchase order details, such as purchase type and purchase category. By using purchase category, you can define whether the purchase is a domestic or an import purchase. You can select a specific numbering type, based on which a purchase order number is auto-generated. Now, we can move on to entering supplier-specific data. You must choose a supplier from whom you want the goods to be transferred. This task is again made easy by Ramco On-Demand ERP. You can just use the Help feature to detect a necessary supplier, and this will automatically populate all of the relevant details. Additionally, you can enter a contact person, if required. After having entered all supplier-related details, it is now time to key in the important specifics, which include the items that you require from the supplier. You can either enter the necessary item code, or again fetch it using the inbuilt Help feature. As we are aware by now, this data entry would in turn generate all of the relevant item details on the screen. Post this, you can enter further details, such as the quantity to be purchased, the rate, the date at which you require the material, and so on. At this stage, do not fail to mention the branch at which you want the materials received in the Receipt At column. You can also enter the warehouse at which the materials have to be received in the specified branch. Your purchase order is now ready for submission. Hit the Submit button, and observe that the total value of the purchase is displayed, and the document in fresh status. This document, post-authorization, can be printed. The layout of the purchase order is made as per your requirements. You can choose the format of the same from the drop-down list. Ramco On-Demand ERP has made it easy to create a purchase order, and maintain the same. Contact us for a demo, at cloud@ramco.com. Or call us,